Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get voice chat on Roblox without using an ID. First, open Roblox and log in to your account. Click on the three dots and open Settings. Go to the Account Info section. Here you need to check your birthday. Make sure the age shown confirms that your account is 13 plus. If your account is not 13 plus, the voice chat option will not appear anywhere in the settings. After confirming your age, stay in Settings and go to the Security tab. Scroll down until you see two-step verification. Turn on two-step verification using either your email or an authenticator app. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the setup. This step is important because voice chat requires extra account security. Once two-step verification is enabled, go back to Settings and open the Privacy tab. From there, scroll down and open the Communication section. Look for an option called Voice Chat. If your account is verified properly, you should see a toggle here. Turn it on to enable voice chat. If you do not see the voice chat option, your account may not be fully verified for 13 plus. Double-check your age and security settings again. If everything is correct and the option is still missing, try reinstalling Roblox. Uninstall Roblox from your device, restart your system, then download and install Roblox again. If reinstalling does not fix the issue, the problem may be related to your region. Voice chat without ID is allowed by Roblox for 13 plus users, but it is not available in all countries. This is currently the case for me as well. The last step is to contact Roblox support. Explain that your account is 13 plus and you have enabled two-step verification, but the voice chat option is not showing. They can confirm if voice chat is available in your region or help you with further steps. Thanks for watching.